Waking up to a symphony of sound. In the morning light, birds are singing round. Their melodies carry through the air, a sweet reminder that a new day is here. With every note, a chorus of hope. They fill my heart, making me feel so alive. Their joyful tunes bring a smile to my face, embracing